Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the CityCar BMW F30 3 Series diamond grills. So this is a sponsored video. Thank you CityCar for sending this out to me. This is one thing I really wanted and they just gave it to me. I'm really happy with that. So it saved me having to buy it. So this usually goes for £50. They've got it on offer at the moment for £40. Hopefully it stays like that by the time I put this video out. So this is going to be an unboxing video, and then in my next video I'll do an install. I'm not sure which order is going to go first because I'm waiting currently. This has been here for 2 weeks now, so I'm sorry about that. The main problem is I'm waiting for the V bars to come. So behind the grill is like these bars, and what I wanted to do is wrap them red or get something to put on that's red, so then it stands out really nicely. So I've ordered that, but it's taking ages to come. So yeah, let's have a look inside. Alright, let's have a look here. So it comes in a normal box. So you got F30 there in Chinese as well. Nice. So this model is 2012 to 17, which is basically the F30 anyway. So this is a gloss black one. You can also get different ones, I think. So my normal grill actually it's not gloss black. It's just a matte black, which I don't like anyway. So this is really good. I wanted a gloss black. Oh my gosh, look at them grills, guys. You can already see the wow. And they come protected nicely in this foam type thing. Pull them out slowly without breaking them, hopefully. Okay. Dang, look at that, guys. Okay, so look at that. That's one of them. Look how sexy that is. So what you're gonna see is the V bar is gonna be like this. So behind here it's gonna be a red bar, so it's gonna look really nice with the red car. So one thing also I want to say is I've seen some BMWs on these diamond grills. What they do is so what they do is, do you know how this is open right now? Some of them this full plastic all the way across, and it just looks nasty. And secondly, it's not good for airflow because this is where your air comes in, so you will be down on power because that's where your air comes in. Do you know what I mean? That's your main air intake. So if you close that off, it's not really good for your engine anyway. You will get up to temperature faster, which is quite good, I guess, in the winter. But there's no actual benefit to it. It just looks nasty as well. Whereas this one, the top is a bit of plastic there, which actually looks pretty cool actually. And I guess it might help with my in the winter, I guess. Heat up a bit faster. I don't know. We'll see about that. So yeah. So I was going to buy one of these anyway, but these guys sent it out to me. So look, you got the gloss black here. It's so beautiful, guys. Amazing. And then you got the diamond grills here, like a chrome diamond grills. So I'm really excited for this install. And apparently I can do it without taking the full bumper off. You could just take the 4 screws off and lift forward and try push it out. Hopefully it goes to plan. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. Thank you CityCar again for sending this out. So what I want to do to this is also, guys, so you're gonna have the V bar behind it, and also I'm gonna try get a M Performance, because this car is OEM M Performance. What I'm gonna try to do is get an M Performance LED badge here or somewhere. But the thing is, the brackets for it is made for the slatted ones like this. You know, the original ones that we have on the car right now. So it might be hard to install it anyway, unless I do it like somewhere here or something. I don't know. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, if I can manage to do that, it will look amazing. Like on the right hand side, the M Performance badge there, LED one, which can be wired up to my lights or something. So yeah, and look, these are the LED lights we're going to be installing. Let me put one of these behind there. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you CityCar for sending this out. See you guys next time. Goodbye.